How to set up Siri for the first time. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set up Siri for the first time. So to do that, first of all, you'll have to go to your settings. Now once you've done that, simply scroll down until you see the option Siri and search. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option listen for Hey Siri. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the setup Hey Siri page where you'll have to simply tap on the option continue. After that, simply say Hey Siri into your iPhone. Now you'll have to say, Hey Siri, send a message. After that, say, Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Now you'll have to say, Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And finally say, Hey Siri, play some music. Now once you've done all 5 of those, simply tap on the option done. And now let me show you an example. Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
Should be sunny
and there you have it.
today.
So that is basically how you set up Siri for the first time. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.